Hello everyone and welcome back to my redo of the FlyLady day 6 of her baby step system. Today I'm pretty excited. We're actually getting into the meat of things, which makes me very happy to maybe see some results. So I am dressed to shoes. I've got my indoor shoes that became outdoor shoes because I've already gone outside with them on accident. My sink, you will be proud, from day 5 I did shine that sink last night. The sink is shined, and I'm actually going to finish up right now with my vinegar test on getting this guy. I'm gonna let that sit a little bit longer, but it's really come in. So today, for day 6, it actually seems pretty easy, and like I said, we're actually getting into some of the meat of actually getting things done. And today is, you set a timer for 2 minutes and you work on a hot spot. From my understanding, a hot spot is an area that maybe collects things, an area that maybe stresses you out. Basically, you set 2 minutes on the timer to put out your hot spot. So kind of like putting out a fire. So I am going to pick a hot spot that is in my kitchen. You've seen it. It's my catch-all that's in the kitchen. It really serves as the catch-all. And I'm going to set a timer for 2 minutes, and we're gonna clear my hot spot for 2 minutes and the day is done. My sink is shined and ready to go. I've got appointments that I'm gonna be going to, so I'll have everything done before I leave, and then I just have to shine that sink tonight. Shine the sink, and I will be taking off my indoor shoes so as to not wreck them and actually wear them out. But I'll be putting on different shoes. So, my hot spot is this space right here. So, let's set that timer. 2 minutes, let's go. My 2 minutes is done. It looks pretty good. Don't you think?
Hi.
You know what? Daddy's bringing home breakfast. You wanna go sit? You wanna go snuggle?
You want to go with me?
Yeah, I wanna snuggle with you.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.